Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown here again, and today I have another credit tip for you. And the tip is how to perfect or build your children's credit scores really fast. All right, the first thing that you want to do is when you have kids right around between 13 and 16, I think is probably the best age, you want to add them as an authorized user, okay? So add your kid or children that are around 13 to 16 as an authorized user on one of your accounts, okay? And what this will do is quickly create a credit file for that child and build credit report, and credit scores, okay? It will build a credit report and a credit score, okay? The next thing you want to do is this account seasons. As time goes by with that authorized user on your kid's credit report, then you also want to create an additional, account where you may add your kid with you on a joint account. Okay, the authorized user shows that your kid has an account with you or that you provided to them, but it's your account, you're the primary, okay? But if you, when your kid gets maybe 16 or 17 years old, you want to add them as a joint, okay, on a credit card or on a car loan, so they will show up as a primary, and that will also positively impact their credit scores. Okay, so you have an authorized user scenario here that will create their credit report, all right, and give them a credit score even though they have a thin file, only one trade line. But then when you add them as a joint applicant, okay, now they are a co-applicant on a maybe a car loan or a credit card, okay, and now that is going to show a nice mix of credit, okay. So now their mix is one authorized user and one joint account, okay? And then as they continue to get up in age, all right, if you add them to a couple more authorized user accounts, all right, you're building their profile, and eventually, because they have a mix of two accounts, authorized and joint, and then as time goes